Hello everyone, my name is Riza Yadav. I am 14 years old. I study in class 7th. Holi, the festival of colors, joy and unity. India is a land of festivals and Holi is one of the most joyful and colorful festivals celebrated here. It is known as the festival of colors because people play with different colors, water and flowers. Holi is usually celebrated in the month of March when winter ends and spring begins. This festival spreads happiness, love and unity among people. Historical and religious significance of Holi. Holi has deep historical and religious importance in Indian culture. One of the most popular stories related to Holi is the story of Prahlad and Holika. Prahlad was a true devotee of Lord Vishnu, while his father Hiranyakasipu was a cruel king who wanted everyone to worship him instead of God. To punish Prahlad, Holika sat with him in fire, but due to God's blessing, Prahlad was saved and Holika was burned. This story teaches us that truth and goodness always win over evil. Another important legend is connected with Lord Krishna and Radha. Lord Krishna playfully applied colors on Radha and other gopis, and this tradition later became a joyful celebration of colors. That is why Holi is also a symbol of love and friendship. Holika Dahan, victory of good over evil. A day before Holi, people celebrate Holika Dahan. A bonfire is lit in the evening, and people gather around it to pray. This ritual reminds us to burn our bad habits, negative thoughts, and evil intentions, and to start a new life with positivity and purity. Celebration of Holi. On the day of Holi, people wake up early and visit friends, relatives, and neighbors. They apply gulal, colored powder, on each other and say Happy Holi. Children enjoy playing with water balloons and pichkaris. Sweets like gujia, malpua and laddu are prepared in homes. Music, dance and laughter fill the air, making the environment lively and cheerful. Holi breaks social barriers. People forget their differences of caste, religious, age and status and celebrate together. This makes Holi a festival of equality and brotherhood. Holi and nature. Holi also marks the arrival of spring, the season of new life, flowers and fresh energy. Nature becomes colorful with blooming flowers and green fields. In ancient times, natural colors made from flowers and herbs were safe and healthy, eco-friendly and safe Holi. In modern times, we should celebrate Holi responsibly. Chemical color and excessive water uses can harm our health and environment. Eco-friendly Holi using natural colors, limited water and respect for others makes the festival more meaningful. True happiness lies not in harming others but in spreading a smile. Message of Holi. Holi teaches us many valuable lessons. It teaches love, forgiveness, unity and positivity. It encourages us to forget old conflicts and start fresh relationships. Just like different colors come together to make Holi beautiful, people from different backgrounds make our society strong and colorful. Conclusion. Holi is not just a festival of colors. It is a festival of emotions, value, and humanity. It fills our lives with joy, hope, and harmony. By celebrating Holi with kindness, care, and responsibility, we can keep its true spirit alive. Holi reminds us that life is more beautiful when we fill it with colors of love, peace and togetherness. Thank you and happy Holi.